In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Glide apps. Glide lets you turn your data into a polished app without writing code, and I'll walk you through the full process from sign up to sharing your live app. First, head to the official Glide website and create a free account. Once you're in the dashboard, click New Project to start building. You can choose how to create your app, pull in an existing spreadsheet, connect Airtable, browse ready-made templates, or start from scratch. If you're new, templates are a fast way to learn. If you already have organized data, connecting a spreadsheet or Airtable will save time. Next, connect your data source. Glide works with Google Sheets, Excel, Airtable, BigQuery, or native Glide tables. Before you connect, make sure your column headers are clear and consistent, and avoid mixing data types in the same column. Clean data helps Glide recognize fields like text, numbers, dates, and locations, so components map correctly. After you connect, Glide will automatically generate a basic layout for your app. Give it a moment to scaffold screens and tabs based on your tables. Think of this as your starting point. You'll customize the look and behavior next. Now personalize your app. Update the app name to reflect its purpose, set colors and branding to match your style guide, and adjust layouts to highlight what matters most. Fine-tune tabs and navigation so users can move intuitively between sections. Add images and icons to reinforce your brand and improve scannability. Enhance each page with components. Use text for explanations or headings, buttons for key actions, forms to capture inputs, lists to display collections, charts to visualize metrics, maps for location data, and images to showcase visuals. Arrange components in a clear hierarchy and test responsiveness so content reads well on both mobile and desktop. Open the data editor to organize and manage your data. Here you can review rows, tweak values, and verify that fields line up with the components you've placed. Keeping data tidy here directly improves how your app behaves. Create actions and workflows to make the app interactive. Configure buttons or events to send emails, update data, navigate between screens, or trigger automations. Start simple, then chain actions as your logic grows. Use the live mobile and desktop preview to see exactly what users will experience. Test every button, form, and workflow thoroughly before you publish. When everything looks right, click Publish to make your app live. Finally,